back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We're gonna make you a nice, lovely vegetable soup. No meat, straight vegetable soup. Vegan can have the recipe, vegetarian can have it. So it's gonna be fantastic. Please enjoy the recipe and subscribe. Leave your comments in the description box. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. One love. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically right here we can see we're going to make you a nice lovely vegetable soup. We got corn, celery, sweet potato, chocha, potato, carrot, garlic, dough, flour, you know what I mean? White onion, a lot of stuff. So we're gonna put everything into it and make a lovely soup today. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, I just make sure put in the spinach and first in the pot, you know what I mean? Because the dumpling take a little time to cook, and that's another secret. We're not gonna use no pumpkin in the soup today because I don't have any pumpkin, just straight vegetable. Alright. So it's a simple recipe, but very effective. As you can see, exactly what I'm doing right here. Not going to put no pumpkin because I don't have any. But look how the soup will still come out lovely, guys. Straight vegetable soup, and this is a vegan soup. No meat. Nice and lovely. So yeah, that's it there right there. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut up the vegetable them now and fireball rolling. All right, nice and lovely. So dumpling them inside. Now we're going to put in some corn on the cup, and this is the size I'm cutting the corn on the cup. Very, very, very small, not too thick, you know what I mean? Very small like this. Put them straight into the soup. Vegan soup. I'm using 2 medium-sized corn. Nice and lovely. So things looking good. Just take out a little bit of the water. Yeah. We can always add water. Celery. Just cut them chunky, you know. Carrot. Ocho. Looking good. spring onion. White onion. That's catch by the pepper and thyme and everything. Sweet potato. Cut them chunky. Because when you cut them chunky, then doesn't like mash up, you know? Pour back a little bit more water inside of it. Potato. A must. I use a lot of potato inside of it. You know, that's just bringing a lovely color or flavor, you know. Look at that. Oh my God. Vegetable soup in the kitchen. Sell off. Alright. Can't put no more potato in it, you know. That is a lot. It's too much. Sell off. Look at that. That is fantastic. Pepper. That's all. This is some vegetable season. You know, straight vegetable season. Two tablespoons of the vegetable seasoning, right? Yeah. Few pimento seed, not too much because pimento seed strong. This is pumpkin soup. Now I use no other color. This is a pumpkin one. You know? Got the pumpkin one, get a lovely color. Let me see. Pumpkin and yeah. Let us use 2 of the pumpkin one inside of it. Yeah, I'm gonna use 2 pumpkin flavor soup inside of it, you know. Don't put no salt in there yet. Cover it and leave that for about 15 minutes. And we're gonna see what happens after 15 minutes. Nice and lovely, so. First time, Scotch bonnet pepper. And this is some garlic. Load that for 20 minutes. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically the soup, I just turn on the stove. Look at this. This is fantastic and nice. Alright. And honestly, it's just amazing for now. The soup did come out really good and nice. I'm really happy about the soup, and I'm not telling a lie. Anyway, it's a vegetable soup. Stay tuned. Enjoy the recipe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo. We've got a lot more recipe coming up for you guys. See you next time. Bye bye. I love it. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today, guys, I want to make you a nice, lovely pan fry garlic lamb. You guys gonna love this one. All right, easy recipe, nice and lovely and unique, full of flavor and taste. It is a garlic recipe, and you can do this at home. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Follow me on Facebook and also Twitter and Instagram. Nice and lovely. So basically I have some lamb right here. You know what I mean? This is some lamb steak and the lamb chops bit right here. Wash them off into some lemon juice. We're going to do a pan fry lamb. Alright. So first thing you're gonna need to do is to get a lot of garlic. Because the garlic is the key for the lamb. So basically this is all of the garlic which I have right here. And look at this lamb. Look at this garlic. Oh, it's flowing out like a river. You need to have one of these, guys. It's very good. Go on my website, order it, and I will send it to you. chefricardo.co.uk. I'm using a few, rough about 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. Nice and lovely. Yeah. Once you do that, first thing you have to do, massage the lamb with the garlic. You need to do this, it's a must before you put on any more season. Because the lamb, it loves the garlic. So, no, that's bringing a marvelous flavor to the lamb. Nice. I'm gonna put some rice on here. It's gonna be fantastic. Put on some mixed herb. It's for color. Garlic powder. Black pepper. And some lamb season. Teaspoon. Just a little bit of paprika for color and flavor. Not too much. Teaspoon of blending natural season. What you need to do? Massage the lamb. Look at that. See? Honestly, a lot of flavor in this. Cut one medium-sized tomato into half. Alright. Pepper. Just a pinch of salt. Are you ready to pan fry? Yeah? You can leave this for about an hour to 2 hours for it to get soaked. And we're just gonna pan fry them straight away. Nice and lovely. Nice and lovely. Very whole pan. Look at it. Whole rusty and nice. Not really rusty. I love it. This is the beauty about it. I have new one can use. A little bit of oil instead of pan. This is the beauty with this pan. And that's why I keep using it. I always chuck it in the bin and I say no. This is the best ever. Alright. This is what happens with lamb when you're making pan fried lamb. Alright. Just check it. Not ready yet. Lamb is not something where you season up. It's what you put Jamaican season. Yeah, that's twisting up, you know. This is something. Alright. I'm gonna put in the lamb like this. Beautiful. Nice. Lamb look nice. Nice and lovely. So let's check on the lamb on the other side. See exactly where it was. Simple. Come back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Today I'm going to make you a nice, lovely, really nice, amazing baked pork chops. Alright, enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipe coming out. I know you guys definitely will love it. So we're going to do marinate it up, get it ready and prepare. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Watch this fantastic video. Anyway, nice and lovely. So first thing what we're going to do, we're going to marinate this nice lovely pork. I just washed it off into some lemon juice. It's amazing. All right. So first thing what we need to do is get some garlic. All right. I love my garlic. I'm gonna put on some garlic first, just like this. I always say if you doesn't have one of these guys, I need to get one. See that? Look at that. Amazing. That is amazing. Garlic come out so lovely and nice. So, as you can see, exactly what I'm doing. I don't like to waste my garlic, so that's why I have this garlic squeezer. If you guys want to get it, go on my website, buy it, ship it straight to you. Man, smell that garlic. Lovely. So lovely. Alright. That's it right over there. Some fresh thyme. And some spring onion. Lovely. Tomato. Cut them into four. Lovely. Mixed herb is a must. I mean, you can't do nothing without mixed herb. Some people doesn't like it, but I do not mind herb. All-purpose season, a teaspoon. More garlic powder. Some pepper. Some paprika. Nice. This is Chef Ricardo natural blending season. Look at that. Yeah. Not too much. I don't want to put too much on it. You know. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Natural blending season. I have to be careful with it. Lovely and nice. So not looking good. So next what we're going to do is put some ketchup. Little bit of oil. Alright, so quick recipe to make at home. This recipe, just rub it up like this. You know what I mean? Yeah, rub them up. Get that, all of those flavor in the pork. proper Sunday dinner. Yeah, proper Sunday dinner. Yeah. Same one. Same thing we talk about Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely. Look at this. Amazing. Amazing. Not only that, this is my tray. Place it in the tray like this. And like this. And like this. Like this. Like this. Simple. Look at that. Nice and lovely. The color. Put this straight in the oven. And leave it for it to soak for about 30 minutes if you want, or an hour, or you can marinate it from the day before. I don't do that. I'm just gonna cook it straight away. Right, I love the recipe, and I know you guys love it. Oh man, this smells so good. Is it good? So yeah, I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. Look at it. So fantastic. And really, really looking so good. Now, I need to put it in the oven to cook it for 40 minutes. It's gonna be amazing. Anyway, stay tuned and enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. I just take it from the oven, and this is the way it looks. Amazing. Look at that. Fantastic. Look at that heat coming out from it. Anyway, guys, enjoy it and please subscribe. Leave a comments in the description box. Thank you for watching my show. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely. Look at the pork. Really amazing. Anyway. Nice. Yeah, exactly what we're talking about in the kitchen.